Why are you trading for P&L? Why are you staring at P&L when you're in your trade? Stop. Let's talk about it. Some of you guys are trading for P&L, man, and it's just an absolute issue. When you guys are trading for P&L, you're not focused on the setup itself. What you need to be focusing on is risk to reward, man. Focus on your stop loss and focus on your take profit. Those are the only two things that matter because the amount of money that you're making, it doesn't matter. $1 million account is the same thing as $100 account. If you guys are a profitable trader and you know where to buy at the key institutionalized levels, $100 account is the same thing as $1 million account, guys. And that's what you need to understand. And this is what I'm trying to get people to get. It doesn't matter your account size. P&L doesn't matter because at the end of the day, we're all buying and selling at the same places if you're a profitable trader and you know what you're doing. When you guys are buying and selling at the key institutionalized levels with traders who are playing with tens of thousands of contracts and millions of dollars, that's what you need to be focused on. Your stop loss and take profit and when your entry is and when you're getting completion of structure and when you're going to enter in for a breakout or if your runners are going to break out. Those are things you should be focused on. Why are you sitting there staring at the percentage when you're barely in the trade? Oh, how much am I making? How much am I making? Relax. Relax. This is a process-based game and you have to calm down. And you have to take it day by day. You know, it's a lot of things in this scene that a lot of people seem to get confused about. You know, a lot of people seem to get confused about, okay, I made $10,000 today, so I'm trying to get on tomorrow. I'll make 20 bands. Chill. You just made a 10 piece off of clicking buttons and reading the candlestick chart. Go ahead and withdraw some money, take it out, and start again with maybe 2,000. Or say you guys make $1,000 on a week off of a $500 account. Start over again with $500 and take that $500 profit and start over again and then grow from there. But don't focus on trying to run up a big bag. Some of you are trying to just over leverage, oversize. Your risk management is just way off because you're just trying to run up a big bag today. A lot of you are just blowing funded challenges consistently over and over and over again. And it's like, why? When you could have had that big bag by trading less. You do know that trading less equals a big bag, right? Inshallah. Like when you guys truly focus on the process of this and you guys are truly just buying the swing lows, you guys are going to start to realize like, wait a minute, this is a really process-based game. And if you really calm yourself down and stop being a pansy monkey, this game just becomes extremely easy, man. And it just starts to become a cakewalk. So make sure you guys really lock in and really hone into your emotions when you guys are in your trades, man. I see way too many people, especially people who play options, who just staring at P&L, staring at P&L, especially if you're trading like zero DTE. I advise you stay away from zero DTE unless you're a really good scalper and you know what you're doing. But if you're not a really good scalper, I advise you stay away from zero DTE, SPX, just because it can get tricky on there. But if you guys do find an edge and a niche on there, then yeah, S0 DT SPX can be pretty solid too. So, but anyways, um, yeah, it can get pretty devious on there. So yeah, I just want you guys to stop trading PNL, man. I see too many people trading PNL, and it's like it's hurting you as a person. It's hurting your psychology, and it's making you think that this game is all about money. When at the end of the day, this game is really all about are you sticking to your risk management and your stop loss? That's what really matters in this game. So take a step back. And if you guys are P&L trading, you need to realize, okay, am I attached to this money? You need to have the mindset of, okay, if I put this money into an account, this money doesn't belong to me anymore. It belongs to the markets. So another thing too, don't be trading with money you need. If you guys have bills, if you guys have stuff you need to pay for that's coming up, that's important. Don't use trading money to pay for that stuff. It's going to do nothing but give you like a big anxiety and it's going to like just not feel good in your chest at all. So make sure you guys are calming down and taking your time and realizing, okay, I'm going to need to be profitable by taking my time. And I'm going to get profitable by just staying down with God and focusing on my process and setting my alerts. That's another thing too. Let me go ahead and show you guys this too. Stop sitting here staring at the charts all day and staring at P&L. When you guys enter in a trade, okay, let me go ahead and do my thing. Maybe you can start from all-time highs, draw it to the bottom of this wick here, lock it up, and let's check it out. So if I were to enter in At this swing low, like I did, I've given signals on this. So boom. So I did enter in down here, correct? So from 10 to 10, so it took like a day. So, or I did it in one day too, and then dumped. Okay, anyways, let's say you did enter here, stop loss under here. I play with the 50 tick stop loss. Boom, boom. So this is a 1 to 6, so about a 1 to 6 here. This trade gave in a day, very easily. Okay, so all I do is right click on my screen, add alert every time. So every time price crosses this line, an alert is going to go off, and click on create. Same thing for my stop loss. Set an alert, boom, every time, create. After this, I'm going to get in my trade, and I'm going to go live my life, bro. I'm going to go work on my business. I'm going to go work. I'm going to go grind. After you're in a trade, what are you staring at it for? You do know there's no point, right? And I think a lot of you need to really get to that point and understand that, wait a minute, after I'm in a trade and I have my stop loss and take profit set, nothing else really matters. And when you really come to that conclusion, trading just becomes a lot easier and you guys just get to unlock a whole different mentality, man. Another thing too, man, stop having negative people in your ears and stop trading for people and around people. A lot of you are like trading for P&L because you're trying to like impress your parents. You're trying to show people that, oh, you look at all this money I'm making. When it's not about that, man. It's not about that. It's about how well are you doing for yourself, and it's about how well do you think you're trading. Like, this is a process-based game here, guys. You know, you want to be making sure you're taking your time. You want to be making sure that you're just, if you're gonna run up a bag, you want to be making sure that you're in your bag. Make sure you're in your bag. Hmm. Yeah, man. It's like just thinking about the trading journey. It just like there's so many beautiful aspects to it that will just humble you as a person. Like this is why I look up to people like Umar Ostroff, like the big 7 to 8 figure traders who don't really show P&L too much. And that's another thing on this channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys, inshallah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the cars, the watches, and like nice be at nice places and stuff. But I don't want you guys to be getting too caught up on P&L because at the end of the day, it's just a numbers game. Someone with 10 contracts is probably playing the same entry as someone with 10,000 contracts, and that's okay. The person with 10 contracts will, inshallah, through consistently get to 10,000 contracts, and then we'll be making the same size. So it's just about a matter of staying consistent, and then you'll unlock size through consistency, and then you'll eventually start making the money you want. So it's pretty much how consistent do you be, and how consistent are you, and how long are you willing to stay down. And yeah, man. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. It's been Stack Mode Chris here. Don't focus on the money in trading. Focus on the charts and your discipline and risk management. All right, and God. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay with God. Take care of your families. Peace. Use alerts.